Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is still showing old appointments or recently added events aren't appearing on the screen, you are likely dealing with a synchronization issue. Event update problems on the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 can happen because of internet interruptions, account authorization issues, delayed syncing, or temporary software glitches. When this happens, the device may no longer reflect the latest changes from your connected calendars. Fortunately, most of these problems can be resolved with a few simple checks. In this video, I'll guide you through several troubleshooting steps that may help restore proper event updates on your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2. Try these. Step 1. Confirm that the calendar linked to the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 contains the latest appointments and changes. Step 2. Verify that the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is connected to a stable and reliable Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Make sure the account associated with the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is still signed in correctly. Step 4. Restart the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 to refresh the synchronization process. Step 5. Check for software updates available for the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 and install them if necessary. Step 6. Verify that newly added events are now appearing correctly on the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 display.